You can expect a lot from the 2017 GMC Acadia. Top features include heated front seats, front and rear reading lights, automatic temperature control, heated door mirrors, a power rear cargo door, and a split folding rear seat. Third row seats expand the maximum passenger capacity to 7. Passengers are protected by various safety and security features, including dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a panic alarm, OnStar, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. With electronic stability control supplementing mechanical systems, you'll maintain precise command of the roadway. Our team is professional and we offer a no-pressure environment. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.